Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I am bringing you another Yankee Candle haul. I picked up more stuff online and I still have another box coming my way. I don't know if I'll record that unboxing. I'm not sure, because by the time I am done unboxing today's boxes, you are going to be sick of me. I have 2 boxes, so I have a lot of candles right now. So if you are interested in seeing what I got, please stay tuned. Alright, so the first little box that I received was this here. There should be a candle in here, because I don't remember ordering any accessories, at least with this order. Alright, so yes, there's a candle in here. I hope it's not broken. I don't know why this tape decided to like stick on me. But you don't go there. You don't belong there. So the first candle here is, what is this? Jesus, look at how they package this. Okay. Alright, so this here is a Napa Valley Sun. Funny thing about this. So this candle I actually only paid $5 because there was a coupon going around. I think it's still on until, I don't know, like at the beginning of July. If it is, I'll list it down below. So it's $5 for a big jar. So I'm like, okay, I'll get it. So I paid $5 for this one. Let's see how it smells, because I've never tried this one. But I just love the picture. Like, come on, I want to be sipping some wine right there. All right. I actually like this. It smells sweet to me. I hope that it does throw the same way it smells, because I actually like it a lot. I cannot describe the scent, but it's like a sweet, it's a sweet scent, at least to my nose. But it doesn't smell artificial. It smells, it just smells sweet. It doesn't really smell like wine. I don't know if you know, it would smell like wine, but, or grapes. It smells like you are in a, like a beautiful sunset, and then you actually have a pina colada. I don't know, and you're sipping on that. So that's how it smells to me. So it's a beautiful scent. So happy to get this one. Okay, next box. Here is my next box. So let's see what I got here. All right, so that's a box of 6 candles. Let's just start opening them, because if I start talking, I'm gonna be here for years and years to come. All right, so the first 2 that I grab are green waxes. I hope that they're not the same one, because I'll be pissed. And they are. I don't remember ordering these 2 of these. This is the greenhouse. Did I order these? I don't think I did. Let me check my receipt, because I don't think I ordered 2 greenhouses. Hold on. All right, moment of truth. Did I order 2 greenhouses? I don't think I did. Yes, I did. So, oops. Oh wells. Got 2 greenhouses. Never try this. It smells green. Actually, it smells like soap to me. It's a nice label though. Pretty. It smells like soap. green. Whatever green smells like this candle smells like that. So yes. I hope it doesn't throw too strong, because I mean, I could take so much of a candle that smells like what do you call that, soap. If it smells too much, like too strong, soapy, I'm not gonna like that. So, but I picked up two. I guess I was planning on liking this candle, I don't know, so hopefully I do. But two greenhouses. The next two candles, I actually love this candle. Look at that purple, like pink wax, so beautiful. This is Market Blossom, and I got two of these. I love this candle. It's just delicious to me. So those. Next two candles. One is like this yellow, burnt yellow wax, and then this one is a beautiful purple. And they are, ooh. One is Sunset Fields. I think this was from last year's fall season, I think. And I picked Beach Flowers. Such a beautiful picture. Let's see how they smell. This is pretty. And I'm sniffing on the Sunset Fields. It smells like a cologne perfume. It's like a mix, or like right in the middle of a cologne and a perfume. Not too strong, not too sweet, not floral. It smells delicious, so I hope I like this one. And Beach Flowers. It doesn't smell like the beach, but it's a nice scent. I could dig it. I dig it, actually. I don't know the notes, but it's a beautiful, beautiful scent. It's another one that smells like a perfume, but it has something sweet that I cannot put my finger on it. Not sure, but it's a beautiful scent. So excited to try this one. Okay, my next box right here. Well, this is the actual last box. I have one more coming my way, but I don't know when that one will get here. But for now, this is my last box. So the first two candles that I picked up, one has a brown wax, the other one has a deep purple-ish wax here, and they are vanilla bourbon and candied pecans, or pecans, whatever you pronounce it. I don't know, whatever. This is another candle. This is a candle that smells like feet to me. I don't smell like, it smells sweet if you keep on sniffing on it, but the first time that you like pull the lid, it smells like feet. But it smells like I never had candied pecans, but I've had, I think, pecan pie, but this does not smell like a pecan pie. I'll see how this goes. I'll let you guys know. And then next is the vanilla bourbon. To me, it smells like coffee. Like my nose is trying to pick up like a little alcoholic note here. It has like a nice faint, I would say, sweet note. I guess it's coming from the vanilla. But it smells more like, to me, it smells more like coffee than, I mean, it does look like it's a coffee drink here. And it just has a little bit of alcohol and a little bit of vanilla. But the main note that my note is picking, I don't know if it's in the candle, but it's like coffee, straight coffee. So I dig this one. The next two candles are these. They're the same, and they are pink. They're pink peonies. I had to pick it up because peonies are my favorite flower. I don't know if I dig the floral though, but this is straight flowers. It's actually strong, but it smells more like roses than peonies to me. I mean, when I'm close to peonies, it doesn't smell like this. This smells more like a rose to me than a peony. They're trying to trick me, you know? But I mean, they're family, so I guess they can share the scent, right? But this is rose. This is not a peony. So Yankee Candle, what are you doing? All right, trying to play games on me. But it's a beautiful label. And the last two candles are Sunset Breeze and another Candy Pecan. I don't know how I picked two of these. I don't remember. It's the same thing as what is the other one that I picked up of? Greenhouse. I don't remember picking two of these, but I guess I did. So another pecan, candy pecan. So I'm gonna have to like it. All right, Sunset Breeze. It says on the label that it's supposed to be fresh, but to me it smells more like fruit. Fruit, like a drink, like a juice. So it doesn't have that soapy scent. I like the scent, but it's not fresh. It's juicy. That's what I smell, like a juice. I don't. This smells like a passion fruit juice to me. That's what it smells like. Yeah, straight passion fruit juice to me. It smells good, so I like passion fruit. So I'm not mad. So my last two candles from this unboxing. Okay, so that's everything that I got at Yankee Candle the second time around. Like I said, I have another box coming soon, hopefully this week. I don't know if I'll be unboxing it. Maybe I will, but it's just too many candles already. Like, that's 13 candles. I have, I think, 7 more coming. Like, my money is flying out to Yankee Candle and Bath and Body Works. That's where my money is going. But thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.